Hello children, how are you? We have been discussing about from village to Delhi. Till now, we have learned about bus journey. In previous session, we have learned about traffic signals. Do you remember children? Let's recall. We stop at red light, started at orange light, moved forward at green light. People cross the road at zebra crossing. We should follow road rules. Do you follow? Okay, good. Ravi Prakash and his uncle took an auto to Secunderabad railway station. Today we are going to learn about train journey. Learning outcomes from this session. Children will be able to know about train journey. Children will be able to know about different types of methods to book train tickets. Children will be able to know about different types of facilities in train. They reached Secunderabad railway station to go to Delhi. For the first time, Ravi Prakash was traveling by train, so he observed the surroundings of the railway station curiously. Children, have you ever traveled by train? Okay. They heard an announcement after half an hour of reaching the railway station that the train to Delhi was arriving on the platform. This is a platform. When the train arrived at the platform, they checked their coach number and went to their seat. It is a coach. Two boys and a girl older to him were sitting in the opposite berth. Do you know berth? This is berth. We sit and sleep on it. The train started a little later. A person wearing a black coat came to them. Ravi Prakash understood that he was the ticket collector. Who is he? Ticket collector, TC. Because the people began showing him their tickets. Venugopal also showed him the tickets. Ravi Prakash saw his uncle taking the tickets in bus, but he did not see his uncle taking train tickets. So he asked his uncle the same. Venugopal explained how he had booked the tickets in advance. He showed the tickets to Ravi Prakash. Discuss in groups. Differentiate a bus ticket from a train ticket. Let's see some main differences. Here is the train ticket. We can see here train number and kilometers. We can see here coach details. We see here seat and berth numbers. Here M means male, F means female. We see male and female details and their ages. We see via details some main cities which the train goes. There are rail routes connecting all the states in our country. The train in our state are run by the South Central Railways. Like we have names, the train also have names just like Telangana Express, Kakatiya Express, Singareni Express, Bengaluru Express, Intercity Express, Rajdhani, Sampark Kranti Express, Tungabhadra Express. We can book tickets in advance through online. We can book tickets also through Tatkal. Tatkal means immediately. It is used for booking train journeys at very short notice. Senior citizens and differently abled persons are given concession. Concession means discount. Types of clothes, languages. Ravi Prakash observed his co-passengers. They wore different types of dresses. He had never seen some of those dresses before. They were speaking various languages. People in the train were more different in terms of their dressing and language than the people in the bus. Ravi Prakash heard the announcement in different languages in each station. In every station, the train stopped and he noticed that the name of the railway station was written in different languages. He saw the instructions in the train were also written in different languages. Think, in which languages are the announcements made in a railway station? Why? And why are the instructions written in different languages? The announcements and instructions written in the train, local language or state language, Hindi and English, because train goes through different states for the convenience of the passengers. So announcements and instructions written in train in different languages. Food in the train. The food came when the train had crossed Nagapur in Maharashtra. Ravi Prakash couldn't understand where the food had come into the train from. When he asked his uncle, he said that the food was prepared in one of the bogies of the train. He also said that the food is supplied to the people who pay in advance. Ravi Prakash did not like the food. Ravi Prakash observed the toilets when he moved to wash basin for washing his hands after he had the food. He thought that there are many facilities in the train. The train stopped in Bhopal for a long time. Bhopal is the capital city of Madhya Pradesh state. Ravi observed that a variety of foods were sold on the platform. They bought fruits and groundnuts and ate. He put the garbage in a cover and dropped it in the dustbin on the platform. Discuss in groups. Why didn't Ravi Prakash like the food? Maybe he did not like taste. What food items do you like to have while traveling? Okay. What do you eat when you travel? Okay. Do you take your own food while traveling? Why? Okay. Venugopal told Ravi Prakash that trains reflect national integration as they run through different states, introduces people of different cultures and languages. With this, we have completed today's session. I will give you some homework. Do your homework and show it to your teacher. Homework. Point out the important railway junctions of our state on a map of Telangana. Okay children, let's meet in the next session. Take care children. Bye children.